Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry design problems in Canva step by step in 2026. So your graphics always look crisp, professional, and ready for any platform. Blurry designs can happen for a variety of reasons like low resolution images, incorrect export settings, or scaling elements improperly. The good news is most of these issues are easy to solve. Start by checking your image quality. Always use high-resolution images or graphics. Avoid stretching small images to fit larger frames, as this often causes blurriness. Next, pay attention to Canva's export settings. When you download your design, select PNG or PDF print instead of JPEG for the best quality. If your design includes animations, use MP4 to maintain clarity in motion graphics. Another important tip is to avoid excessive resizing within Canva. Instead of enlarging small elements, try using original high-quality images or vector graphics. Vectors can scale without losing sharpness, which is perfect for logos and icons. If you're using text, make sure your font size is appropriate for the design dimensions. Tiny text can appear blurry when exported. Stick to readable sizes and avoid overcomplicating your layout. Also, check the canvas size. If you plan to post on multiple platforms, design at the recommended resolution. For example, Instagram posts are best at 1080 by 1080 pixels, while stories are 1080 by 1920 pixels. Finally, preview your design before downloading. Zoom in to inspect edges and text. Make adjustments if any elements appear blurry, and then export your final version using high-quality settings. And that's how to fix blurry design problems in Canva step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.